Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to show you how to re-clear carbon fiber. So if you have a hood or a lip or anything that's like bubbling up or the clear starting to chip away, I'm going to show you how to refinish that. You'll go from this. And it's pretty easy. All you need to use is 320 dry sandpaper, 400 wet. You need some UV resistant clear coat and some paste wax. So let's get started. So this is the piece of carbon that we're going to refinish. You can see there's imperfections here, around the edges it's chipped up, scratches, a little fade here and here. So the first thing we want to do is take some 320 and just scuff the whole thing up. Once that's sanded down, let's give it a quick wipe down. Get all the dust off. And you're just going to rinse it off with some water, and how it looks wet is how it'll look when it's clear. You can see there's no more bubbles or chipping. It looks perfect now. Now we're going to take the 400 grit and wet sand it. Once you're finished wet sanding, rinse it off and then check for any imperfections, because this will show up in the final product. So this looks pretty good, so I'm going to let this dry. So this is the clear coat I'm going to be using. I picked this up from Walmart for like $3. So you definitely want the non-yellowing, UV resistant. That's the most important thing. So here's our piece here. Doesn't look too great before you clear it. We're just going to lay a light coat over it first and wait about 10 minutes and do a second 10 minutes and then a third. So as you can see, only after one coat, it's already starting to look tons better. It's not even dry yet. It looks pretty good. So here's the piece after 3 coats. As you can see, you can't tell where any of the bubbling was. There is a slight run in it, right around there. I don't know if you can see it. You could probably get that out if you wet sanded it with 2000 grit. But I'm not really worried about it because I'm not a perfectionist. So next we're going to polish this up. I'm going to use some brand X paste wax from your local auto parts store, and I'll show you how that's done. Once you get it all polished up, you want to let the wax dry to a haze, and then we're going to use a microfiber cloth to wipe it off. Alright, so once the wax is on here hazed up, you're going to take your microfiber cloth, start buffing it up. And that's going to be your finished product. Has a nice shine to it. Alright guys, that's basically how you restore carbon fiber. I imagine this process will work on anything from hoods, lips, brake ducts to wings. Just make sure you take your time when you sand and you wet sand. Make sure everything's nice and even and smooth. And then when you lay the clear down, make sure you put down nice even coats, and it'll turn out good. You can usually find used carbon fiber hoods in your area for $100 because the clear coat's peeling up. You can restore that using this process, and you will probably only use 2 cans of clear for the whole hood. So until next time, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.